Driving an automatic seems easy, right? Put it in drive and go. But what if I told you that 3 simple habits you do every day are secretly killing your transmission? We're talking about a $3,000 to $5,000 repair bill that you can avoid right now if you want your C or to last past 200,000 miles. You need to watch this. Mistake number 1, the rolling reverse. You're backing out of your driveway, you're in a rush, and you shift into drive while the car is still rolling backward. Stop. When you do this, you're using your transmission's internal components to stop the car instead of your brakes. It creates massive heat and friction. Always come to a complete stop before switching between drive and reverse. Mistake number 2, the parking pole prayer hill parking. You park on an incline. Do you just slam it in park and walk away? That clunk you hear when you try to leave later? That's your parking pole screaming. You're resting the entire weight of the car on a tiny metal pin the size of your thumb. The proper way: stop greater than keep foot on brake greater than engage parking brake greater than shift to neutral greater than release foot brake to let the car settle greater than then shift to park. This puts the weight on the brakes, not the transmission. Mistake number 3, neutral coasting myth. People shift to neutral going downhill to save gas. This is a huge myth. Modern US fuel-injected engines are smarter than that. They cut fuel automatically when you're in gear coasting. By shifting to neutral, you actually lose steering control and engine braking. It's dangerous, illegal in some states, and saves 0 cents on gas. Mistake number 4, red light shifting. You're at a long stoplight, so you put it in neutral to relax the car. Don't. Every time you shift back into drive, you're causing the clutch packs inside to re-engage. Do this 20 times a day, and you're adding thousands of unnecessary wear and tear cycles a year. Keep it in drive. Your transmission is designed to idle. Mistake number 5, the 2-foot habit. In the US, most of us learn on automatics, but some people still drive with 2 feet. 1 for gas, 1 for brake. This is the fastest way to glaze your brake pads and overheat your transmission because you're likely riding the brake without noticing. Right foot only, always. Automatic transmissions are complex machines. Inside that smooth, quiet gearbox are dozens of precision-engineered parts, clutches, gears, valves, sensors, and hydraulic channels, all working together every second you drive. But here's the truth most people don't realize. Automatic transmissions are not fragile. Take care of your automatic transmission, and it will take care of you for years and miles to come. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe for real car knowledge.